again? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's another reaction video. By the way, if you're just new here on my channel, please don't forget to click that subscribe button. My name is Angelli. I'm from the Philippines. I'm a Filipino reactor and a vlogger. So for today's video, I'm gonna do my reaction video for NIKI. So this is requested to me by Alexandra in Instagram. So she just DM me on my Instagram account. By the way, guys, if you want to request a video to me, please just go ahead on my Instagram page and please just DM me. The link is in the description box. So if you want to request videos, and yeah, it's easy for me to track down via Instagram. So please just to follow me there and DM me. Okay, the link is in the description box, so please do follow me on my Instagram account. So she just requested this Switchblade by NIKI. So this is a new song of NIKI. So I will just read her message to me. Hey sis, please react to NIKI's Switchblade. I always watch your video reaction and I really loves your reaction. That's NIKI. She is from Indonesia. She joined 88 Rising with Rich Brian, Joji, and others. Love you sis. Love you too, Alexandra. Thank you so much for your request, and thank you so much for always requesting, requesting here on my channel. So yes, guys, without further ado, let's get started. Let's start to react to NIKI's Switchblade. Wow. By the way, guys, if you heard some unnecessary noise like that, chicken noises, it's really natural here. It's really natural. You know, this is a province, so you can hear those noises. So please just bear with me, okay? Switchblade, Moonchild, Phase 1. Starring NIKI as Moonchild. Oh, I like her hairstyle here. NIKI was already all grown up lady. She's so beautiful. This concept is different from her previous music. Wow. The song is very new to my ears. The concept. Actually, guys, actually, she has a resemblance. Okay, a singer resemblance. Okay, so I think she's look like Jessica Sanchez. I don't know if you know Jessica Sanchez. So she is a Filipino American singer. So she looks like Jessica Sanchez here. So her aura, her face, she's look like Jessica here. So I can see her. Maybe because of her hair, which is blonde. Actually, I'm really new to this music. Of her concept of her music. I know she do R&B style of music. Okay, so that's all. Okay, so that's all. Okay. So that's it. That's it for today's video, guys. So that's all. It's really a new concept for me, for Nikki. I don't know what kind of genre is this. If still this is R&B style or what, but this is very very new. Sometimes like yes, it's really a new concept of her, and wow, all those I would call that extraordinary thing that she do in the video. She's more like here, more on astronomical concept. Yes. Yes, very very new concept of Nikki. Congratulations for this comeback, and yes, it's really good. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you haven't, check out my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button, and please turn on the notification bell if you want to be updated on my videos. And if you have any request videos, you can drop by that in the comment section, or you can just DM me on my Instagram page. And it's really helpful for me if you're gonna DM me there and have your request video. Okay, so that's it, and again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Enjoy this video out. Bye.